Don't play. This is 𝐂𝐎𝐲. This is our Snow White 3 days whitening lotion, 15 shades, strong whitening body lotion. This our client said, Mommy Kira, please produce 30 liters for me. You guys know I'm the #1, the champion. I produce with style. I produce with happiness. You understand me? Want to formulate this, that's why I want to document it for you all to see the way I want to promise this amazing 𝐂𝐲𝐲 Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. Okay, I've washed the container. This is the beautiful foreign container shade picked. You know, guys, I allow my customer to pick what they want. Okay, then I call my staff, one of my staff, to help me fill it. Although, you understand me, we are the #1, the champion. Okay, just stick around and watch this video to the end so that you see the way I produce it. This is the Secret Wise Strong Whitening Serum. This serum is super amazing. I divide the Snow White 3 days whitening lotion. Yes, I divide it because I can't put everything on this my table. My table is not too big. Okay, I divide this one. This in this rubber here is 15 liters. Okay, we're producing 30 liters for her. Okay, I want to do the video into 2 parts. Okay, she said, Mommy Kira, as I want to buy 30 liters, you know, my customer that are demanding, they want to be white. You know, and this lady has been patronizing me since 3 years ago, and she has been buying back to back. She's in US. You know, I have a lot of amazing customers in the US, both in Qatar, both in Saudi Arabia. So many, you understand me? Both in France, in Germany. I produce for a lot of brand, but you know, we have to keep the secret code. You understand me? I can't reveal my customer's name, never, but I produce for them. You understand me? And they come back. You guys know Mommy Kira, I'm the #1, the champion. Okay, this 15 liters here, she said, Mommy Kira, put 1 liter of Secret Wise strong whitening serum inside. Okay, the next video I'll be doing, I'm going to also put another 15 liters and put another extra 1 liter. That means she got 2 liters of Secret Wise strong whitening serum. You know, there's some client of mine, they will say, Mommy Kira, for 5 liters, put 1 liter. 5 liters Snow White 3 days whitening lotion, put 1 liter. You understand me? Some people, these 30 liters, they will put 6 liters. Some people put 5 liters of Secret Wise strong whitening serum. It depends on how you want your lotion to be strong. Or normally, basically, this Snow White is already strong. But you know, there are some clients that want to white or sharpen. You know, those kind of 3 days whitening that they white up down. No stretch mark, no green vein, no knuckle, no white dot at all. You understand me? You guys know Mommy Kira. I produce and I use amazing ingredients. Okay, I'll be putting the Secret Wise strong whitening serum inside this Snow White whitening lotion. Okay, look at it. Yeah. Okay, look at it. Okay, you guys see, if you're a formulator, since I knew this secret Wise strong whitening serum, man, I've stopped using all those orishi plenty serum concentrate. All those things I've reduced it. I've almost stopped it. It's only Secret Wise strong whitening serum concentrated and oil I use in producing. And since I discovered this product since last year, my production, my promising game has really changed. People buy and they come back. If you want your lotion to be strong and white, you chat me up, you understand me? Go to the website and place your order. Guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down below. Like and share my video. Like. This is my channel. I give amazing and banger recipes. Okay, look at it. I've poured 1 liter. The next video I'll pour another liter. That means to be 2 liters. Okay, guys. Yes, I'm going to stick blend this lotion right now, and I will show you guys how everything is done here. Stay tuned. Please subscribe if you watch up to this part. Please subscribe, like, share my videos. Okay, and subscription is yes free. Guys, we're done packaging all the item in the bottle. Okay, like I explained to you guys earlier, my table is very small. That is why I could partition it 30 and the other one 30. You can see we fill it, and you can see we've sealed it. You can see the mouth. We've sealed it for this our amazing clients. Okay, guys, what are you waiting for? Let Mommy Kira produce for you. You guys know I'm the #1, the champion. Whether you want us to produce our instant white, our Latino, our Snow White, half cars, just contact me. Tell me how you want me to produce for you. Tell me what your customer wants. Okay, whether you want to sharp or sharp pro. You understand me? Let me know. I promise in a safe way, but very effective. Guys, if you've watched up to this part, please like. Subscription is free. Like and share this video to your loved ones. I love you guys so much. God bless you for supporting Mommy Kira. I really appreciate you. You can go to the website. We'll have all sizes, but be it small sizes or medium size, and also wholesalers. Wholesalers are people that are reselling. Even though you don't want to resell, you can go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Go and shop. Okay, you have to start doing something. You have to start making more money, making profits. Okay, whether you are working, you want Mommy Kira to produce for you, that is my job. As long as you're a very serious customer that want to go into the business, chat me up, let's discuss business, or go to the website directly and shop. Okay, wholesale deal is there, retail deal is there, every deal is on the website. I love you guys so much. God bless you, God bless your family. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how we package it. Okay, how we put them in the carton in a bit. Love you. Yes, we've packaged it. You can see how we package it properly. Very clean, very demure. Guys, hurry up. Go to the website and place your order. Also, deal is on the website. Both retail and any which one you want, okay? Both big size, small sizes are on the website. Let Mommy Kira produce for you. And you know we ship. We are the number one, the champion. Whether you want us to ship for you, whether you want us to drop it off, we'll do that for you. Okay, I love you guys so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Go to the website at www.kirasecretskincare1.com. Go there and shop. Then you asking me of prices, go to the website and shop. All product and prices are there. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.